sounds all around. Sounds all around. Sweep your sweep your fingers, clap your hands, whistle, cater some planes. You're making sounds. Crackle, crunch to get dry leaves. Splish, splash in a puddle. Make happy sound. Scary sound. Sad sound. Mad sounds. Shake a can of marbles. Shake a can of cheese puff. Shake a can of pencil. Fill your song as you sing, talk or hum. You flick fingertips, gundish, because your voice growls. Shake to make sounds. Now be quiet. Your voice sounds are still. They are not vulnerable, so they no sounds. You can't see sounds waves, but when they reach your ears, then bones in your ear vibrate. Then you hear the sound. Beating a drum makes a vibrate, and then the air around vibrates. Those vibrations reply together. The air from the drum to your ears, and you hear the sound of the drum. Long ago, people used drum sounds to send messages. They beat hand sounds, loud sounds, fast sounds, and slow sounds. Those sounds travel together the air from vigor to vigor. Different drum beats set different missing shots away. Counts on forming or a new letter has been closed. People still use sounds to make migrations. Company hence say good job. A crack on a door. Ask, is anyone home? And the train on a truck means get out of the way. A rough ghost makes a drum sound too. At least a mate. Tip and a howler monkey rolls to keep a house out of its story. A howler is roar. It's one of the loudest animal sounds in the world. No wonder other howls stay away. In the dark, a bat finds an object in its flight path by making her squeaking sounds. It sounds of it in the brain. The sound becomes black. Those entrants warn the bat to crunch Duncan before it bumps into barn. Sound waves traps together sound grounded as well as air. A snake has no ear to hear. It puts its head on the ground. A bone in its head feels a sound vibrate. They warn the snake that energy may be a mongoose lurks nearby. sound waves travel together. What the two mother whale can find her baby by snake cracking cells to get the water. Once the sound waves bump in her craft interest because back the mother whale lands, she hears the interest and knows where her baby is. Whales and tadpoles make jobs by seeing the cells together. The water then this for inches. People use a traffic called sour to set sounds in water when the inches become back. People know how deep the water is that as also discover for submarines. Sounds are an important part of our days. Some sounds like music. Please use some sounds like a jackhammer. Any us. Some sounds are quiet. Some are loud. How can you message sound? How tall you send it? Measure in inches. How loud you yell is measured the decibels. How much you when the message improves. Please, hi, wow, rush into this message. One, a vintage and clear, loud music, a jackhammer, a jet engine. A space rock is very loud. It measures 200 or more depths. There are 20 and 70 and 100 and 1300 and 1400. Some loud sounds can really damage your ears, so you should be careful about programs your ears around loud and comfortable your ears when a fire truck or ambulance drive by or cover, and make sure you don't play music too loudly to people who are making close to airplanes or use jackhammers. Have to be even more careful about programs their hearing. We live in a world of sounds, tempos, ring together rainbows, water, giggles, birds, chippies, birds, friends take, and we laugh, cry, have cup, and sing. Sounds are all around, keep listening. The end. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon.